What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video we are checking out the latest fitness tracker from Huawei called the Band 6. Now unlike most other fitness trackers available on the market, this one gets a larger screen, so in a way this is a hybrid between a smartwatch and a fitness tracker. So on the front here we have a 1.47 inches AMOLED screen that has adjustable brightness. Unfortunately there is no auto brightness available, but you can easily change the brightness, so if you go outdoors you can still see the screen. So overall this is one of the best looking screens on any fitness tracker. We also get a feature that you don't typically see for any other affordable fitness tracker. You normally need a more expensive smartwatch to measure this. So the Band 6 right here can also measure the oxygen saturation in your blood, and it can also do this automatically throughout the day. Once again, I don't think I've seen this feature for any other affordable fitness tracker. Aside from that, it will track all the steps that you do throughout the day. We have 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and it will also monitor your levels of stress. And of course, all that information gets synced right on your smartphone. So this can be used with an iPhone or any Android device by installing the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. The Band itself looks much better than all the other fitness trackers available on the market, at least in my opinion, and of course that has a lot to do with the larger screen. Now this looks more like a smartwatch than a fitness tracker, definitely a good thing. The device's body is made out of plastic. We have a button on the side, the screen is covered by glass, and the straps are made out of rubber. On the back we have the sensors for the heart rate monitoring and all the other functions of the Band, and we also have the connectors for the charger. So the charger attaches to the back of the Band with magnets, and it takes about an hour and a half to charge it. Now on one charge you can typically get between 10 and 18 days of usage, depending how you use the Band. Personally I've been using this for about 8 days and I'm currently at 36%, but I have all the notifications turned on to heart rate monitoring 24/7, so everything is turned on. So I'm expecting to get about 10 days the way I use it, but if you turn some of those features off you can probably get more than 2 weeks on one charge. The Band is also waterproof, so you can take it in the shower, you can swim with it, and we have a variety of sporting activities available. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't have a GPS unit inside it. Now, if you do have the phone with you whenever you go for a run or for a bike ride, the Band will use your phone's GPS. But if you don't have your phone with you, it doesn't have a GPS unit inside, so it will kind of guess how many steps, the distance, and so on. Now, there are a lot of sporting activities available. Personally, I only go for walks and every so often for bike rides, so I didn't actually experience all the sporting activities available. But if you're into running or other crazier activities, there are definitely a lot of activities that you can choose from. As I mentioned earlier, all the information from the Band gets synced to your phone. So if you want to see how many steps you've done for that particular day, if you want to see your heart rate throughout the day, if you want to see your stress levels, if you want to see your oxygen saturation throughout the day, you can check everything out right on the app. And of course, all those sporting activities will also be synced on your phone, and you can also check the maps. So let's say you went for a long run, then you can look on the map and see where you actually went for that particular run. But for that to happen, you definitely need to have the phone with you, because otherwise, as I said, the Band doesn't have a GPS unit inside. If you sleep with the Band, it will also track your sleep, so you can see how many hours of deep sleep you got, how many hours of light sleep you got, and so on. So you can basically wear this 24/7 and it will basically track everything about you. The Band also supports that feature where the screen comes on every time you turn the arm towards yourself, and this one works really good. It takes maybe less than half a second for the screen to come on every time you turn the arm towards yourself. And you can also change the watch faces, so there are some watch faces available and some of them are also customizable. Unfortunately, there is no always on display, so the screen will be black most of the time unless you actually look at the Band, then the screen turns on by itself. But other than that, the screen will be black, and this way it will save battery, of course. The Band will also display the notifications that show up on your phone. Of course, there is a section in the app there where you can turn on or off certain apps so you don't get notifications from every single app, but you're not going to be able to reply to any notifications. So you can see them, you can scroll up, but you cannot reply to them. The same goes if you receive a phone call, you can see who's calling, but you're not going to be able to talk on the Band. So you still have to take your phone out every single time you want to reply to a notification or answer a call. And of course, using the Band is also super simple. All you have to do is swipe left, right, up or down. We have that button on the side if you want to access some settings, if you want to start a new sporting activity. And as I said, there are a variety of sporting activities available, so super simple to use as well. So after using this for about 8 days, I have to say that I am impressed. I'm super happy to see that we have that feature, the oxygen saturation, blood saturation feature, something that I haven't actually seen for any other affordable fitness tracker before. I love that bigger screen, the great battery life, so you can't really go wrong with the Huawei Band 6. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.